Hey YouTube, this is no way out over here. I'm sorry guys, I'm having a moment. Okay, for all of you HVAC fans out here, have you guys ever seen the air conditioning like this before? This is too damn awesome. This is just too damn fucking awesome. This is a straight cool unit. This is an air conditioner at my grandpa's house. This is a straight cool unit. There's a coil. I'm not sure what the brand name of it is, but I believe this is a 3-ton. I think that's what it is. Trying to find the model sheet. I think it's right here. Oh, here we are. Here we are. Oh my God, it's a Lennox. It's a Lennox straight cool unit. Whoops. Yeah. So it looks like this is a Lennox. I have never seen an air conditioner like this before. I mean, where are you supposed to see the fan blade at? I think this is a cover. I'm not entirely. Yeah, this looks like it's covered up. Or this is just too freaking awesome, guys. This is just awesome. Look at this unit. Oh, look what I found. Lennox. I think this is a 1990s model. I'm not entirely sure, but this looks freaking awesome. This is a straight cool unit. It has a gas furnace. Let me just get this one last time for you guys, and then you guys can do all the looking up and all that. And so, sorry if it doesn't get it. The focus is just messed up on the cam. I'm sorry, guys. I really am a little bit. Yeah, this is really cool. I like this unit. This is a very well designed unit. I gotta give him credit. Good job, Lennox. Good job. And there's a disconnect. Alright, everyone. Goodbye.